Hey there, fellow travelers! Ready to make your next long flight a breeze? Long flights can be a real drag, but with these 10 travel hacks, you'll be cruising at 35,000 feet like a pro. No more feeling cramped, bored, or uncomfortable. Let's dive in and make your journey as smooth as possible. Hack number 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Airplane cabins are super dry, and staying hydrated is key to feeling great during and after your flight. Dehydration can lead to headaches, dry skin, and overall discomfort. Bring an empty bottle through security and fill it up before you board. This way you can avoid those tiny, expensive bottles they sell on the plane. Next up, number 2. Dress comfy. Go for layers and breathable fabrics. This way you can easily adjust to the changing temperatures on the plane. Planes can be freezing 1 minute and boiling the next. Having layers allows you to stay comfortable no matter what. Plus, comfy clothes mean you can relax and maybe even catch some Z's. A good nap can make a long flight feel much shorter. Hack number 3. Seat selection is everything. If you can, choose a seat in the exit row or near the front of the plane. These seats often offer more legroom and a quieter environment. More legroom and quicker exits can make a huge difference. Number 4. Noise-canceling headphones. These babies are a game changer. They can help you block out the crying babies, chatty neighbors, and the constant hum of the engines. Block out the crying babies and chatty neighbors and enjoy your music or movies in peace. Trust me, your sanity will thank you. Hack number 5. Bring your own snacks. Airplane food? Meh. Pack some healthy snacks like nuts, fruit, or granola bars. Not only are they better for you, but they also taste way better than most in-flight meals. Your stomach will thank you. Number 6. Move around. Sitting for long periods can be tough on your body. It can lead to stiffness, swelling, and even more serious issues like blood clots. Get up, stretch, and walk around the cabin every couple of hours. This will help keep your blood flowing and reduce discomfort. Your legs will appreciate it. Hack 7. In-flight entertainment. Download your favorite shows, movies, or podcasts before you fly. This way, you won't be at the mercy of the in-flight entertainment options. Wi-Fi can be spotty, so have everything ready to go offline. You'll be glad you did when you're halfway through a movie and the connection drops. Number 8. Bring a travel pillow and blanket. Comfort is king on long flights. A neck pillow and a cozy blanket can make a world of difference. You'll be able to rest more comfortably and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. Hack number 9. Freshen up. Pack a small toiletry bag with items like a toothbrush, face wipes, and moisturizer. These little items can make a big difference in how you feel. A quick freshen up can make you feel human again after hours in the air. You'll feel more awake and ready to tackle whatever comes next. And finally, hack number 10. Stay positive and patient. Long flights can be challenging, but keeping a good attitude can make the experience so much better. Remember, every flight is a step closer to your destination. There you have it. With these 10 travel hacks, you're ready to tackle any long flight like a seasoned traveler. No more dread, just excitement for the journey ahead. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for your next adventure. The world is waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and happy travels. Safe journey, everyone.